Pino di Lotto started around 2007, it was the first year, but the first proper year was on 2008 because we had the 4 suites and the pool bar opened, so we could offer the breakfast and maybe a light salad during the day, and if someone wants to drink something while they're at the pool. Pino di Lotto is not a hotel. We are a private, small, boutique bed and breakfast. You can only have 4 suites. We can only have 8 to 16 guests. So when someone comes here, especially when it is 4 couples, for example, they can feel the complete privacy that Pino di Lotto can offer. It's only 8 people. Even the pool, I think that it is large enough for 8 people. And for example, the 2 couples can stay here and the other 2 can be at the beach. So it's going to be only 4 people at the pool. I think that the privacy is our best thing that we can offer. This is what the people want. They want to be on their own, they want to feel at their place, they don't need a crowded pool or many people at the pool bar. So eventually the guests showed us what they want, and this is what we do. When they realize that they can have something extra except from, a glass of wine or a beer, we usually tell them that you can have this or that, and we have some little menus in the suites also, so they like to stay here, have a cocktail during sunset, or maybe when they come back from their dinner. If they go for an early dinner, usually then they come back and they stay at the bar, and we have cocktail nights. We have guests that they keep returning. For example, later today we're expecting for 2 guests that it's their 5th time that they're coming back to Pino di Lotto. So it's the best payment. What we really want to hear from our guests when they leave, what we want them to feel is that they have a place where they can come back, and they can come back to friends. This is our purpose, and usually we achieve it, I think.